Hello everyone, it's Angie here at Beads and Plenty More. Today I thought I'd show you how to do these Christmas elf earrings. And these are done with an eye pin and head pins for the legs. So I've got the head pin, or the eye pin here, and we're going to thread it up with an 8mm body bead. I've got a disc spacer there, a 6mm head, and then I picked a bead cap that basically fit on my 6mm one really well, and a little 4mm crystal to make the pom-pom on my hat. Now we did these up as kits, so you can actually purchase the kit, and I will put the link in the description at the bottom of this video. So once I've got all these linked up and everything, I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold over my wire directly above my beads. Now the reason that I do that is because I'm going to bring the loop back the other way, and I want to have my loop center. So I'm just going to trim it so that I've got roughly 1 centimeter remaining. And I'll do the same thing to the other one. So when it comes to actually bending the loop back around, I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I want to grab right at the end of the wire. So partway down on the pliers, but right at the end of the wire. I'm going to turn this so you can see it. And then I'm just going to bring it around. So ideally what I want to have happen is I want to put the end of the wire right where I put that bend in the wire originally. So sometimes you have to slide towards the tips of the pliers to make that happen. But there's my loop. Same thing on the other one. So it comes around. And then I can just take that loop and open it up a little bit and hook my shepherd hook in. I like to do it without the shepherd hook in place because I find that you can get a nice round loop that way. So to close it back up, I just come into the loop again and close it up. So there's the whole body. Now the legs are made up of a 4mm pearl. These are 3mm gold beads, and they're actually hematite, but you could use a metal bead as well. And then I've got another 4mm crystal. So these guys are actually threaded on the fine wire, so they're a little easier to bend. One thing you have to watch about with these fine wire head pins is that they will sometimes have a smaller end on them, so you have to watch that they won't pull through the bead that you're putting on the bottom. But all we're going to do is make that same loop. So now I have a one-legged elf, and let's go make the other one. So fold it over. So there's my earring done. So I'll finish off the other one and I'll show you a picture of the earring complete. Hope you had a good day.